One of the most important aspects to having a really successful estate planning practice is setting yourself up and having yourself perceived as an expert. And there's a lot of different ways you can do that. You know, some states have in your bar association, you can do something and get extra CLE and be able to call yourself a specialist. That's not what I'm talking about. You have to do things that in the real world, you know, people who find out what you do and how you do it, they say, wow, that person really is an expert. I'll tell you some of the things that I've done over the years, some of the things that we've helped attorneys do to really elevate their expert status. Being perceived as an expert eliminates all of the I can go get it cheaper conversation. It eliminates all of the I want to go home and think about it conversation. It eliminates all of the we want to get 3 quotes conversation. It's over when a prospective client perceives you as an expert. Let me go through some of the ways that we help others become an expert. Number 1, public speaking. So there's no better way for you to be perceived as an expert than to get in front of a group, no notes, no PowerPoint, no nothing, and just have a command of the estate planning subject matter. That'll make you an expert. You can speak to public groups, you can speak to attorneys, you can create different public speaking engagements. That's one way to become an expert. Another way is to write, and there's a lot of forms of writing. Right over my shoulder, you're looking at my book. So many people over the years say, Paul, didn't know who to go to, but when I saw you wrote a book, I said, heck, he's the guy that wrote the book, so here I am, let's get started. So another kind of secret side benefit of my book is it trains my clients to do business with me. It eliminates all of the early having to educate the clients about the law and what their options are. They come in, they're ready to do business, they've read the book. So the book accomplishes a number of amazing things, but there's simpler things other than authoring a book, although we can help you author a book. You can be the author of what I call special legal reports, what some people call white papers. You can write blog posts, and those get found on the internet. And your prospective clients, before they come into your office or before they consider making that call, they're going to Google you. And so when they do, you want, hundreds if not thousands of blog posts to pop up to show you're an expert. So there's lots of other mediums that enable you to be an expert. I've done dozens if not hundreds of webinars over the years. So we talk about building a list, marketing to that list. That's another way. A real easy way to be perceived as an expert is to deliver webinars, real easy to do. Another thing I've done over the years is I've recorded podcasts. So again, that's another way to become an expert. So there are dozens of ways to become an expert, and really some people rely on different things in different ways. Some people like reading a book. Some people like reading a blog post. Some people like watching a video. Some people like listening to a podcast. You got to have all of them, or you're going to miss out on some of the prospective clients. So those are the things that we've done, and we help others, create in a snap, so that in just a few short days, weeks, months, they have all this marketing content so that they're perceived as an expert. And all of this, I don't know if I should go to this person or that person, or I don't know if I could get it cheaper elsewhere. All of that goes away. I'm Paul Rabalais. Have a great day.